This is the dissection of the back or the posterior compartment of the forearm, also known as the extensor compartment of the forearm. Here we'll mainly identify the different extensor muscles in the posterior compartment of the forearm. Starting with this muscle here, this is the brachioradialis. So this muscle is the brachioradialis muscle, which is accompanied by two other vertically running muscles. This is the extensor carpi radialis longus. And this is the extensor carpi radialis brevis muscle. So there are three vertically running muscles here: brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, and extensor carpi radialis brevis. Lower down, these three muscles are crossed by three tendons which are going towards the thumb here. So the lateralmost tendon, this is abductor pollicis longus. This is abductor pollicis longus. Next to it is the extensor pollicis brevis. And this is the extensor pollicis longus. So these tendons here form the boundary of a depression here on the back of the wrist. This is the anatomical snuff box. So this is the anatomical snuff box, which is bounded laterally by two tendons, abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis, and medially by extensor pollicis longus. In the roof we can see here the superficial branch of radial nerve. Also, there will be cephalic vein. In the roof, the floor here is formed by scaphoid, and the main content of this anatomical snuff box is the radial artery. Further, we can see here the extensor digitorum. This is extensor digitorum muscle, which is dividing into four tendons for index, middle, ring, and little fingers. This is the extensor carpi ulnaris. In addition to these, there are two tendons, one for the index finger. This one, this is the extensor indicis. Here, the index finger receives two tendons here. We can see two tendons going to the index finger. So the lateral one is the tendon of extensor digitorum, and the medial tendon is a separate tendon, which is extensor indicis going to the index finger. So this is the extensor indicis. Similarly, we can see here, this is the extensor digiti minimi. This is an additional tendon going to the little finger. In the upper part, on the posterolateral aspect of elbow, we can see here a small triangular muscle. This is enconius. On the posterior aspect of elbow, and there is one more muscle in the upper part, deeply located in the extensor compartment. This spiral muscle here is a supinator. So supinator we can find deep here between the tendons of brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis on one side, and on the other side, this is the extensor digitorum. So, if we reflect these muscles, we can see the supinator. So these are the main muscles in the extensor compartment of the forearm.